Alright, we are done with the motor paragliding. That was fun.
Yes.
The old guy that
Awesome.
that old guy that was that the instructor, the one that flew with us, he was very kind. He was like, I don't know, he reminds me of some old dude that's very kind. That's well, anyway, we are at this the tip of somewhere in Chiba. Now they got this beautiful architectural thing that's right in the tip of the of where we, what was it called? Fumitsu? Futsu. It's in Chiba Prefecture. We're gonna climb all these steps. We go all the way up there. Oh my god. It's like a puzzle. Like there's various points of entry. Very interesting. It's like if I were a kid and we were playing tag, this would be like the perfect place to play tag. It's crazy perfect. Like look at this. Look how interconnection it is. Stairs that goes all the way up there, which I can't already. I'm already tired. Two sets of stairs. What is that? I want to go there. Look at that. That's like a small island. That's very beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. Very beautiful, right? That's very beautiful. Marco. Alright, we are here at the top. I don't know if you guys can hear me with the wind. It's very windy, it's very hot, but it's the perfect amount of summer day. It's just great. The wind is beautiful, sea wind, and then summer. People came up. There's people here now. I guess we're going down. The view's great though. The view's very great. Our next location is a cave. I don't know what it is with us with cave, but we love it. We got what is that called? We got a torchlight to navigate us through the cave. It's not actually a cave, actually. It's a bunker that has been used for World War II. Apparently, I guess Americans came from the east side of Japan. So I guess they made this bunker, and now we are going to explore. Look at this, look at it. So apparently there's the bunker, and we got this shit. We're going that way. How are we supposed to go back? Anyways, there's the bunker. Yo, that's dark. Hello! Hello! Oh wow. It's very cool down here. Oh shit, I'm hearing voices. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is very, very sketchy to think that people from the World War stayed here to evacuate. They even had like a full system where people worked on the electric bits. Wow, that's cold. Shit, it just turned cold.
Suddenly.
Damn. Woo, that's dark. Oh wow, no. That's not something I wanna. Yeah, I know. No, that's not something I wanna look into. Okay, I see the wall. Oh my shit! I don't know, some stopping me to look at it. I wanna look at it, but then shit. It's just like a freaking horror movie. Yeah, there's a way down there. It's wet, it's cold. Shit. People can literally make a horror movie in here. Oh my days. We're allowed to go? Okay, so we're going into this very dark place. There's no light here. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. No, I'm good here. Okay, I can't see anything. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I am scared down here. I don't even wanna freaking on this camera, just for the sake that, you know, just in case it doesn't pick up anything. Oh god, into the dark place with the camera, it's not a very good idea. You know what's interesting? I love science, so I'm kind of geeky about this place. Look, you see the rocks? I don't know if you guys can see it. There's layers, so you can see the layers of the rock. I don't really know what that means, but I think it's like the generation of the rocks. I believe you can tell when the era by seeing the rocks. Like this. I don't know if you guys look at that. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at this. That's sick. Now, I love these kind of stuff, but that no.
You are fucking pussy.
Alright, we just arrived at the hotel and we're about to see our room. Let's go. Let's see what you have booked for us.
Yes.
This is the entrance. It's very nice. You got sorry, stepped on you. And then we just come in. We just straight to the room, straight to the bed, living, TV / small kitchen. Like we were. Oh.
What?
Oh wow.
すごい外に繋がってる。
Okay, so this is like the powder room.
おー、なるほどね。
Powder room, and then it's connected outside, which is the shower / bed / balcony / sea view,
ここでお酒飲みたい。
ocean view. Oh really?
マジか。最強だな。
Oh, there's really water inside?
Yes, already. Ta-da!
Oh wow. Okay. Okay. It's very, very beautiful. Very, very nice. Look at that. Ooh. Nice. And the inside is nice. Very nice. Thank you.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
for booking this on my birthday.
You're welcome.
Can I sleep?
No.
You did this. You planned this day for me.
Yes.
For that I say thank you. But it was your idea to go to the beach.
You don't
Is it
want
like
to go
the
there?
beach? I mean, I don't really like the beach. So this
But I have snorkel boots.
snorkeling there.
Snorkel.
You got the snorkeling set. Doesn't really help. I mean, I'm still going inside the beach. I mean the water. I don't really like the salt. And then once you come out of the water, how your body feels. Ugh, I don't like it. I really, really don't like it. I hate it. Oh shit, that's a big one. That is it for today. That was dinner. Ate a lot. I decided not to vlog at that much at the end, just because gotta spend time with this this thing right here. That was that for today. I enjoy it, Marco. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. I am gonna continue this trip. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.